Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Before starting our video, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Here are some pet door design ideas. Freedom is the hallmark of even the most loving domesticated doggo. All they want is the ability to romp by day and rest at your feet by night. For many, such freedoms is a necessity. A busy schedule and odd horse can make the daily walks and playing times tough to ensure. That's why you need a pet door to let your canine friends out into the backyard, while a solid pet fence will keep them safe and sound. For the reason, these top 50 best pet door houses ideas are an indispensable household implement for canine owners. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. And thanks to the multitude of designs and ongoing updated available today, this top-notch features is more accessible and easy to assemble than ever. Whether you choose to go the die route or hire a professional to install your pet door, these wealth of choices all but tailor made it to suit your space and pet size. From simple clear flaps to more style savvy inspirations, your pet door should hold up against the best and worst of the seasonal elements, all the while awarding you pup optimum ease and accessibility. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. And thanks for watching my video.